Constructed, well coached, so it's going to be a tough test, really tough test for us. Fortunately, we have a pretty long break coming up, and it's going to be incumbent upon us to take advantage of that break.
What will be the numbers nung preparation sa semifinals, considering si Calvin most likely will be with us for that duration of the break, long break?
Yeah, that's a factor that we have to consider. Like I said, we have to meet as a staff first because we haven't thought about it at all. I haven't even thought about what to do in this long break. We have to reconvene first and before I can answer that. But certainly that's going to be a factor, Calvin, not being with us to practice.
Jason,